Welcome back to another episode of Fox40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing an edition of our tailgate special. Today we're doing our buffalo chicken dip, one of my favorites. Super simple, super easy, less than 30 minutes and all under $30. I have my boneless, grillless, skinless chicken thighs that I grilled off, seasoned, grilled those off, and I shredded those. I have that ready already. I have shredded mozzarella cheese as well as Philadelphia cream cheese. In this dish already, I have my cream cheese melting down, so it'll be nice and easy to mix. I also added 1/4 of a cup of my heavy whipping cream just so I can get that softening already in the skillet. It's all on a medium high. Get that mixed up real good, and then I want to add my chicken. And again, this is 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, seasoned and cooked. So I have that already. Now all I need to do is just fold this Philadelphia cream cheese into this chicken, and we're gonna add our buffalo sauce. I have my buffalo sauce. I'm gonna add about a cup into this dish. And remember, all these ingredients can be found at our local Piggly Wiggly. And let's get ready to bake this bad boy in the oven for about 10 minutes. Let that cheese melt perfectly. Here we go. We'll add a little chives on it, as well as a little bit more mozzarella. We're gonna throw that top on there, let that cheese melt as we're on our way to the tailgate, and you won't come empty-handed. Buffalo chicken dip, guys. You can find this recipe and a full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.